Kevin Monahan with the UNF Small Business Development Center, and I'm here today with Peter Schoening from Polyhistor. Tell us a little bit about what the company does.
We do product development, everything from a paper napkin sketch to finished product. So we work with clients who come to us with paper napkin sketches, and we develop CAD models, and from CAD models we do prototype just like this one. We can do clear plastics, rubber plastics, and rigid plastics, all from this machine right here.
So to begin with, you can do computer-aided design. So you've got computers and the talent to do that.
Yes, absolutely.
Secondly, you can make individual prototypes so people can see if their idea really works on this machine. This machine looks like a gigantic copier, but it's using what, plastic resin?
Yeah, plastic resin. So you can open the hood up here, and it squirts out the plastic resin through these nozzles, and built on a build platform right here, and it builds it layer by layer. So these parts are built here on this table just like that, and after a few hours they're done, you pick them up and ready to use.
Absolutely amazing, and a really cool thing for businesses to have access to in Northeast Florida. So that's really cool that you do this, Peter. Let's go over to the CNC machine. I know you do some other work as well. Is this like low-run manufacturing?
Yeah.
Let's go take a look. So Peter, we talked about the computer-aided design that you do, so you can do designs right off the napkin and people have a new idea. Or of course you work with much larger companies that have something very specific and already CAD'd out perhaps that they want you to do.
Yeah, absolutely.
So then we also talked about the prototyping, and we just saw that machine, which is wondrous, really cool. And now we're at a CNC machine, and of course both you and I have been around manufacturing a long time, but to the average viewer they may not know what a CNC machine is, so why don't you talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, what it is, this in particular is a CNC milling machine that cuts out parts from a block of material.
You have the ability to pre-program what you want done in here.
Absolutely.
So in other words, it's not necessarily a one-shot deal. In other words, once you give this to the client, 3 months later, if they call, you still got this set in here and you can do more of it, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. So this is typically what we do, a little bit more of a higher volume production. And this is also programmed directly from the CAD models that we make.
Why don't you tell the viewers, many of them may be sketching on a napkin right now, how do they get a hold of you to talk about either CADing or doing some light manufacturing or some prototyping?
Yeah, I mean, you can always visit us on the web. It's phi2.com, so phi2.com, or you can give me a call directly, 904-646-5666.
Peter, how has the UNF SBDC helped you?
It has helped me tremendously over the years. I mean, both in business guidance and also to acquire this equipment that we have here, because they help with loan assistance, to actually tell you how to write successful business proposals and business plans, be able to get these type of loans.
Well, we're excited to help you grow. So I'm Kevin Monahan with Peter Schoening of Polyhistor, one of the innovative small companies in Northeast Florida. Thank you.